Let's quickly walk through how to create a task inside of Slingshot. You will always have up here the plus task button where you can create a task using the universal button. If you're using things like sections, you can see that you have contextual add task buttons right from here, so you can add tasks directly into a section. Within views like Kanban, you will always have the plus task button here. Within views like Timeline, if you're using sections as well, you will always have the contextual add tasks. And then within Calendar view, you will always have the option to contextually add your tasks by clicking on the plus button that will come up on hover of your different dates.